In today's digital age, our lives are heavily reliant on interconnected systems. From smart homes to global communications, digital infrastructure is deeply woven into our daily routines. But with this integration comes vulnerability. Imagine a global cyber attack. Its ramifications could ripple through every aspect of modern society. Yet amidst this threat, there is hope. By taking practical steps today, we can safeguard our personal data and maintain essential functions offline. Firstly, understanding and practicing strong cybersecurity measures is crucial. Regularly updating your software and using complex, unique passwords for each account can form the first line of defense against potential breaches. Consider enabling two-factor authentication wherever possible. This simple step adds an extra layer of protection, making unauthorized access much more difficult. But what if digital systems fail? Having a contingency plan for offline scenarios is vital. Start by identifying essential services you depend on. Ensure you have physical copies of important documents such as identification, financial statements, and medical records. In a world without digital access, these become invaluable assets. Next, prepare for offline communication. While technology offers convenience, traditional methods can provide reliability when digital means collapse. Maintain an up-to-date list of important contacts, both personal and professional, on paper. Familiarize yourself with maps and directions in case GPS services become unavailable. Additionally, fostering a community network can enhance resilience. Organizing local support groups to share resources and information can be invaluable in a digitally disrupted world. By working together, we create stronger safety nets that go beyond individual capabilities. Ultimately, while we cannot predict every consequence of a cyber attack, we can prepare. By safeguarding personal data and ensuring vital functions remain accessible offline, we strengthen our resilience in an unpredictable digital landscape. Through proactive measures and community collaboration, we can confidently navigate a world where technology and security must go hand in hand.